Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and this video is a special video especially for Accenture candidates. So this video is going to be for those candidates who have given the Accenture exams recently, and for those also who have not yet received the slot booking mails and expecting their exam slots in the next phase, because this is one of the most important rounds in the Accenture, the communication round. We're going to see all about these rounds, the detailed exam pattern, what type of questions you can expect, and what is the importance of this round, everything. But before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and industry updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So there is a first of all a huge misconception among guys and students that the communication round is not a mandatory round or it is not a elimination round. First of all, it is both. The communication round is a mandatory round. You have to give the exams, and not only just appear for the exam, you have to clear the cutoff, you have to pass the exams. This is a clear cut elimination round because many people are going to get eliminated only in the communication round itself, and only after that you are going to go for interviews. Also, you have to keep in mind one more thing, that Accenture selection, that is the after interview, those who will be selected is going to be based on your all of the rounds aggregate score. Okay, suppose you are performing not very well but just passing the rounds, okay, and after interview you are not getting selected, that will be because you are not performing very well in all the other rounds, because all the rounds scored at the end going to get considered before giving you offer letters or getting you selected. Okay, so let's move on to the communication round details. First of all, there will be multiple different types of questions and rounds you can expect in this communication round. We're all going to see one by one and give you examples of this as well. Communication round generally focuses on your English skills, English speaking, English listening, English writing, and English knowledge, all about these things. Okay, your pronunciation, your fluency, these things. So first round is going to be basic reading. Okay, there will be sentences given, there will be sentences written in your screen. You have to just read those sentences, okay, and record it. Okay, so for that, this round is, you can understand easily that your mic and speaker is going to be of utmost importance in this round, because if your speaker is not working properly, you will not be able to hear the questions, and if your mic is not working properly, your voice will not get recorded and the answers will get disturbed. So you have to first, in the first round, you have to speak whatever the sentence you can see in your screen, that is the reading round. Next round is going to be repeating round. The reading round is going to be very easy, just see and read, but the repeating round is going to be a bit tricky. If you watch English movies or English series, and if you listen to English songs or anything like this, then this is going to be easy for you. But otherwise there will be a difficulty, because there will be different accents in the English sentence they will speak. So you have to listen to a English sentence the computer will speak, okay, and you have to understand what they are saying and you have to repeat that same thing. Okay, so suppose if you are not able to understand any single word of a sentence and then you cannot repeat it, so that is where the people will get wrong. So you have to have a good listening skills for that particular round. Okay, you have to repeat whatever the sentence they are saying, you have to repeat it. Next round is going to be one word Q&A type round, because there will be some questions on English. There will be, this round will have the most number of questions. Basically there will be some grammatical questions, some fill in the blanks type questions you can expect, or there will be some basic English questions. There will also be this type of one word type question answers. Okay, so multiple questions will be there and you have to perform really well in this round. This round will be a bit moderate level, not so easy. Okay, the next round is going to be storytelling and sentence building. So let's see one by one. First of all, there will be a sentence building round. So suppose there are multiple parts of a sentence is given. Okay, like a sentence is broken down into 3 or 4 parts and they are given one by one. So you have to combine them or rearrange them and then form a sentence like that. Okay, and then speak the sentence. So most of the answers what you are going to give in this round is going to be by speaking, okay, and not by writing. It is the sentence construction round. Next round is going to be storytelling round. In the storytelling round, suppose there will be some comprehension or story will be given. you have to listen to it or read it, and then say it on your own language. Okay, you have to might be summarize some things, okay, like that. So you have to like the make the story into your own language. Okay, you have to convert it to your own languages and in your own words, and then speak it. That will be the storytelling round, and the final round is going to be speaking on some topics. So some topic will be given to you, whatever the topic might be. Some top timing also will be given to you. Okay, so first think about the topic and then speak about the topic for the given time limit. Okay, and make sure your English whenever you are speaking is should be fluent. Okay, you should not stammer in between, and you should have a good pronunciation so that the others who are listening to it can understand, because this round is going to be basically AI proctored, you can say, and also the machine will be only giving your results and all. Okay, there will be no human who will be evaluating you guys. So make sure that it can understand your pronunciation, it can understand whatever you are saying, and also you should be fluent. So that the given topic also might be some still topic. They might ask you to speak on some given topic, or they might ask you some questions and you have to answer that question also in that particular time. Okay, there will be some given amount of time, so make sure you cover all your points. And that's all about the communication round, but there are some basic guidelines how you can practice it. So generally communication rounds are version test. So if you want to practice communications rounds, you can Google, or from YouTube also you can search version test, and there will be multiple videos or all any other sources also if you can find. Make sure to try and practice those things. There will be almost 7 to 10 days you can expect before your communication round starts. Okay, so almost all the phases examinations are done, so only communication rounds are next. So keep practicing for these few days for the communication round. And also for English speaking and English listening skills you have to improve. To try seeing some English movies and all in between that also, and understand their fluency, and keeps try to speak English in fluent. Okay, just read some from English book and all, but read in a fluent manner, and try to record your voice and see if if you can understand what you are saying or not, if your pronunciations are correct or not, and if it is fluent or not. Okay, try recording your own voice and keep checking and keep practicing. So that's it, and all about the Accenture's other hirings and also the previous slot booking mails, and there were some issues. For everything related to Accenture, I have posted multiple videos, and also I have posted a video about what is the detailed exam pattern, what after the communication round, what is going to happen and all. I have posted everything. You can go and check those videos. I'll give all the videos link in the description box. And if you have any other queries regarding Accenture or any other thing, make sure to comment down, or make sure to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. You can ask us there also whatever query you have. So that's it. If you have any other queries still left, make sure to comment down.